Hello everyone, I Sneha Marathe, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Law, SP University. Today I welcome students for the session of jurisprudence. Today we will be covering the topic of title from Unit 4. The concept of title, the term title, it is derived from the Latin words titulus. According to Salmond, it is the fifth element of legal rights. For any, if the person is having any right, the ownership, the possession, as we have already learned all this concept, the title is also a very essential element of the right. Legal right has title, that is very certain facts or event of which right is having existence. Legal rights are created by the title. As per Salmond, the title is de facto attestant of which right is the de jure consequent. It means that if the person is having title upon any property, any thing, he can have the legal rights upon that particular thing. So title is the attendance and of which consequence means it is the cause and its effect is the person is having legal rights over it. Now Salmond has divided the vestitive facts. Vestitive facts means which have relationship between legal right and title in basic two parts. First is investitive facts which creates the legal relationship, and second is divestitive facts which destroys them. એટલે જેમ આપણે કીધું છે સાલ્મન્ડે જે રિલેશનશિપ છે કોઈપણ વ્યક્તિને ટાઇટલ એટલે ઓનરશિપ હોય કોઈપણ વસ્તુ ઉપરની, પ્રોપર્ટી ઉપરની, મિલકત ઉપરની, તો એના ઉપર એ લીગલ એનો રાઇટ મળે છે, ડી જ્યુરે એટલે એના થકી એને એનો રાઇટ મળે છે. હવે એને વેસ્ટિટ્યુટિવ જે રાઇટ છે જે ઇટ ક્રિએટ્સ રિલેશનશિપ બિટવીન એટલે રિલેશનશિપ ક્રિએટ કરે છે રાઇટ વચ્ચે અને એની ઓથોરિટી વચ્ચે. સો સાલ્મન્ડ હેઝ ડિવાઇડેડ દેટ પાર્ટ ઇન ટુ. ઇન્વેસ્ટિટિવ એટલે કે એવું રિલેશનશિપ કે જે રાઇટ ક્રિએટ કરે છે, અને ડાયવેસ્ટિટિવ એટલે જે એ રાઇટને ડિસ્ટ્રોય કરે છે. એવા બે ટાઈપના વર્ડ્સ જે વેસ્ટિટ્યુટિવ જે રિલેશનશિપ ક્રિએટ કરે છે ટાઇટલ અને રાઇટ વચ્ચે. સ્ટાર્ટિંગ વિથ ફર્સ્ટ, રાઇટ કેન બી ક્રિએટેડ ડી નોવો એટલે કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ પરનો અધિકાર નવી રીતે મેળવી શકાય છે અને ક્રિએટ કરી શકાય છે. Say example, if any author is writing book, the book was not in existence previously, the author is writing new book, it means that the author is creating de novo existence of right over that particular book. As the author is having the right over that book, the royalty will get created, further IPA right will get created, so that is creation of due novo right. If somebody, a fisherman, or if anybody is catching fish from the river, it means that the person has created right over that particular fish. If the person is buying, if X is buying fish from the fisherman, it means that earlier the fish was with fisherman, so the right over the fish was with fisherman. And if the fisherman is selling that fish to the X, it means that transfer of right is getting done, that the transfer of title is getting done in that part. The fact which destroys right are called as extinctive or divestitive facts. જેમ આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ લીધું કે જો ફિશ એ સેલર પાસેથી જો કોઈ વ્યક્તિ બાય કરે છે, ઇન દેટ કેસ જે સેલર પાસે જો પહેલાં એનો રાઇટ હોય છે એ રાઇટ ટ્રાન્સફર થઈ જાય છે, હવે સેલર પાસે એનો રાઇટ રહેતો નથી. Say example, if I sell my fish to X, it is derivative title as far as X is concerned. એટલે જે X પરનો જે રાઇટ છે, જે ટાઇટલ છે, એ વસ્તુ જેવી રીતે એક વ્યક્તિ પાસેથી બીજી વ્યક્તિ પાસે જાય છે, એની જોડે એનો રાઇટ છે, એનો ટાઇટલ છે, એ પણ જાય છે. એટલે if I selling my fish, it means that the right is getting એલિનેટિવ ડાયવેસ્ટિટિવ એટલે એ મારો રાઇટ મારા તરફથી બીજા વ્યક્તિ પાસે ટ્રાન્સફર થાય છે. Bentham has classified dispositive facts ઇન્વેસ્ટેટિવ, ડાયવેસ્ટેટિવ એન્ડ ટ્રાન્સલેટિવ. બેન્થમે પણ આવી જ રીતે જે ટાઇટલ છે, જેમ ટાઇટલ એક વ્યક્તિ પાસેથી બીજા વ્યક્તિ પાસે જાય તો એના લીગલ રાઇટ્સ પણ બદલાય છે. Agreement have importance in title because the legal rights get created based on the contract, because contract is enforceable by law. It creates legal rights. When agreement creates right, is considered to be the private right. Agreements which create rights are of two kinds. One is get created by the contract and other type it get created by the grants. Grants which transfer rights are called as assignment. So જે કેવી રીતે રાઇટ ક્રિએટ કરવામાં આવે છે, એગ્રીમેન્ટ દ્વારા, કોન્ટ્રાક્ટ દ્વારા, ગ્રાન્ટ દ્વારા પણ રાઇટ ક્રિએટ થાય છે. જે એક વ્યક્તિ પાસેથી બીજા વ્યક્તિ પાસે કેવી રીતે એના ટ્રાન્સફર કરી શકાય, જેમ અસાઇનમેન્ટ. કોઈ પણ આપણે જેમ કોન્ટ્રાક્ટ, ઇફ વી આર અસાઇનિંગ દેટ ટુ સમબડી એલ્સ, તો એ ટ્રાન્સફર થઈ જાય છે અને એનું ટાઇટલ ટ્રાન્સફર થઈ જાય છે, એની જોડે જોડે એના લીગલ રાઇટ્સ પણ ટ્રાન્સફર થાય છે. Agreement which extinguish rights are those known as release. એટલે એ જો એક વ્યક્તિ પોતાનો જે પ્રોપર્ટી છે બીજાને વેચી દે છે, એના પછી એ વ્યક્તિ પાસેનો એ રાઇટ એક્સટિંગ્વિશ થઈ જાય છે, કેમ કે એનું ટાઇટલ ટ્રાન્સફર થઈ જાય તો એના પાસે બીજા કોઈ પણ પ્રકારના રાઇટ રહેતા નથી. What are the validity of agreement? As we know, the Salman said for become any agreement to be valid, એ કેપેસિટી વાળા વ્યક્તિ જોડે જ થવું જોઈએ, ઇનકેપેસિટી વાળા વ્યક્તિ જોડે નહીં. એટલે જે માઇનર છે કે ઇન્સેન છે કે જેની કેપેસિટી નથી એવા વ્યક્તિ જોડે ન કરી શકાય. If the legal formality is required and if it has not been fulfilled, the agreement it become invalid. Some agreements are declared to be invalid by law. Say for example, wagering agreement. Those kind of agreements are invalid by law. Agreement can become invalid on the account of mistake too. If in any contract is mistake is been done by both the parties, that contract is considered to be the void contract because mistake is done by both the parties. If the consent is not free in any agreement, it become invalid agreement, voidable at the part of one or other party whose consent is not free. If in want of consideration also, without consideration also, agreement is considered as a invalid. So agreement if become enforceable, it will get converted into the contract, and contract will give actual title to any individual person, and it will give legal rights also. Now, mode of acquiring possession. In which way anybody can acquire possession. Acquiring possession can be done considered to be the completed by both the things, corpus and animus. The other way, one way is if the one person is stealing some property, some movable property from other person, it means that the possession is getting transferred. This is one type of acquiring possession, by stealing something, by taking away something. And the second mode of is delivery. If you are delivering something, your property, to somebody else, it means that you are transferring possession and the other person is acquiring possession. So there are two modes of acquiring possession. One is by taking away, stealing, or the other way is by the mode of delivery. If you are transferring the keys of some property, keys of some warehouse to other person, it is also considered as a transfer or acquiring of the possession by the other person. Now, mode of acquiring ownership. Previously we have seen mode of acquiring possession, that is one way by taking away, stealing, or by the delivery. The other is acquiring ownership. Ownership can be acquired by the long possession, and the second is by the prescription. The lapse of time, if the if the person has taken some loan or some promissory note, if the person has not paid back, after the lapse of time, it will become time bar. As per the Limitation Act, it will become time bar. So court cannot enforce it. But in that case, what will happen? The other person can have that right. Lapse of time not only bar the right of owner, it may transfer it to opposite party. Say for example, A who is transfers his possession. If the landlord, if the tenant is staying in one particular property for more than long years, in that case, if the landlord is not interfering, or if not taking his charge after few long years, that title may get transferred to the other party. So it is considered as a prescription. A trespasser, if the trespasser is there who is having the possession of land for 12 years, he gets title of that land by the prescription. So this is how, if the ownership is, if you are not aware of your ownership right, if you are not aware of your legal right of ownership, in that case it may get transferred to the other person. This is all about the concept of title. If you have any query, you can contact me. Thank you.